Everything is energy in this universe. Your thoughts, your words, people you meet, things you use, everything is a vibration that you allow into your energy field. Now, they have the power to raise your vibration or lower it. Now, how do we raise your vibration? Staying in gratitude mindset, choosing your peace over anything and everything, having fun, staying in the present, choosing trust over fear. If you do this regularly, you start to infect anything you touch or whoever you meet with high energy vibes, or else you get infected by others' low energy vibes. Now you have managed to raise your vibration. Let's see how it gets drained or infected. Gossip, fear mindset, waiting for validation from others, not staying in touch with your true emotions. Most people handle this by not handling this. They usually choose to distract themselves either with gadget, smoking, alcohol, or others. Constantly involved or associating with people who are invested in the rat race. Scrolling and constant updates with news. Either you take control of your energy field and become magnetic, or you get drained over and over repeatedly. Because remember, it doesn't stop there. Every minute you keep attracting the same frequency you vibrated. Have you realized that suddenly some relationships get strained? People move away from you or you choose to leave. The job or old patterns which you could have left but you chose not to suddenly shifts, and either you lose interest in the same situation or you get thrown away. This is not an unfortunate situation as most people think. Once you start to vibrate higher internally, universe starts to clear all the low vibe energies in your physical field. Initially, it might feel a bit harder to accept, but trust the process. That's where it creates room for new high vibe energies to enter. For example, a person who was in a victim vibe and who was scared to be in touch with his real emotions ended up attracting low vibe friends, girlfriend, job, and even partner. But universe gave him an opening. He faced a sudden financial downfall. Everything was spiraling down, and that time he decided something new in his life. He chose to stay in touch with his emotions without distracting it with substances or anything else. He accepted the pain, allowed it, and decided to bring positive changes in his life wherever he could. In other words, he actually raised his vibration. Universe doesn't wait for you to pray or beg. It loves action. The more sincere he became in correcting himself, universe decided to lift this person more higher. It doesn't look so uplifting in the physical world initially. His partner left him, his family collapsed. Whatever he had tried so hard to keep under control actually hit rock bottom. Though he was confused enormously, the person continued his inner work, stayed in gratitude. He didn't choose guilt, he chose self love and trusted that everything is for the better. And now he met his soulmate who was already in a very high vibration, and in the coming years, they got married. He realized that he had great passion in being of service to people, so he shifted his career path. And now his whole life is like a beautiful poem, which inspires many others to change from the inside to bring changes on the outside. From this real story, we can understand that we attract our exact frequency. So, if some things are falling out, allow it to. Don't be afraid. Instead of going to panic mode, align yourself with better thoughts, words, and habits. Remember, universe is always listening. Vibrate higher, attract the best. Be a miracle, dear one.